Yeah. There you go. That's a little bit of do your worst. I wanted to talk today about cymbal wash and getting that thing to be consistent and even. There's this thing can happen, like when you listen to do your worst or any kind of groove like that, a lot of people, it sounds like a quarter note groove. So as you can see, the cymbal will have a tendency to do this. So by playing, and thanks, shout out to Dave Elich, my teacher, for teaching me about this. But playing the eighth notes on your upstroke, sort of the eighth note on the upstroke, still sounds like a quarter note crash groove, but you're upstroking the eighth note. And it sort of tames the cymbal movement. So sometimes, depending on the tempo, this thing can get really off of what your arms are doing. So by you can also do like. Now it sounds like a slow eighth note groove, right? But it's actually, I'm playing 16ths. So as you can see, and that's basically the technique I use in Do Your Worst, because it's a pretty bombastic festival of crash cymbaling, crash writing, if you will, whatever you want to call it. And then the rest is that simple bass drum groove. But I basically wanted to just talk about the cymbal wash in this one. But the groove, I guess, is I think it's a 4-bar phrase. So that's the phrase. Is that 2 bars or 4 bars? I didn't count. And then I fill in ghost notes as well. So. I'm just filling in the offbeat ghost notes, and but I'm not sticking to a particular pattern. Those are just basic ghost note flows. Are patterns of ghost notes that I use are. Or it's important to get the after the backbeat, the second beat is a ghost note. Have to be quiet. Something you can work on a kind of like that cymbal part. You have the upstroke, 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 upstroke. So that's basically it. So let's try to find those patterns in this groove. I'll play the cymbal quiet. So it's just an amalgamation of those 2 ghost note parts. I hope you caught that. The first 2 are 1. I'm kind of rotating between those 2 parts, so there you have it. Thank you guys. We'll see you next time.